How we activate our tebiskin drop products. So we take the product itself, which is separated into two halves, a powder in the top and a liquid in the bottom. And first we twist in the directions of the arrow on the lid until this cap in between snaps off and is now disposable. Now we twist until the yellow part in the top of the chamber opens a trap door and deposits the powder from the lid into the liquid. Now we tap the top of the lid to make sure that the product is dropped in properly, and we slowly remove the lid to make sure that there's no powder stuck in the top. When that's empty, it's disposable and we replace it with one of the dropper lids. These twist on and the product is now activated by a light shaking. Now to use the product, we take off the little green cap on top. Don't throw this out because it keeps the product fresh. And we use 2 drops, which look like this, into our creams.